How to create an email address. For today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can create an email address. First, make sure that you have available phone number that isn't connected to any email account. Now let's proceed to creating an email account first on Google. By creating your account, it will automatically create you an email address. Now go to your browser and then search for Google account sign up. Next, choose what account type you're creating. It's either for yourself or to manage a business. For now, let's create an account for personal use. Now enter your name and then tap next. Enter your birthday and gender. Then tap next when you're done. Create a username for your account. After that, create a password. Tap next when you're sure with your password. Now add your phone number to be used for verification, and also it can be used to reset your password or other Google services. After that, review your account information and then tap next to continue. Read the privacy and terms of Google and tap I agree below to proceed. Once you finish, then go ahead open the Gmail to check your email address. With that, you have created your email address to set up new account from scratch. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below. We'll see you on our next video.